Hi, my name is Ernest, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Ajax Search Pro to search for images in your media library and to display them in an overlay Lightbox. For this, you really only need some images. I have these as sample images in Ajax Search Pro. Nothing else is required. So let's click on Ajax Search Pro to access the settings, and let's create a search bar. I already have one. You can just create it here and click on the gear icon to access the search settings. After the settings open, I'm going to disable the search in posts. So I'm just going to drag it here because I really don't want post types to show up in the results, just for the sake of, for the example. And click on the media file search and click on return media files. By default, images are selected, but make sure images are selected from the MIME types list here. And you're gonna adjust one more option, which is display images in a Lightbox. This is basically all you need. I'm gonna do one more thing though, because I'm gonna use this preview window here, and it just really doesn't play well with the overlaps. So that's what I have to adjust by changing the results position to block, but you really don't have to do it. It's just for the sake of preview. I don't think I need to save the settings, because if I just refresh and do an empty search by hitting the space bar, like some of the images should show up, and if I click on one, a Lightbox should appear on the page. Like here we go. And there's like a keyboard and this navigation buttons here and the close icon. But of course, you can adjust them by going to the advanced options and into this Lightbox menu, where you can, basically change most of the settings, like the overlay color. Maybe I want like some sort of a black color here, and see like the overlay is black. I can even adjust the opacity. Maybe I want it like completely black, see, now it just overlays everywhere. But let's just change it back to white and like 0.7 or 0. I think 0.7 is the default, but 0.8 will work. I can even completely disable this overlay if I don't want to have it. Now it's just the navigation buttons. I can even turn them off. I can even turn off the keyboard navigation. I can even turn off the right click mouse and the close icon, and even the behavior to close the Lightbox when someone clicks outside of it. Although I don't think you want to do that if you don't have the close icon. So you should like leave one of these open, and you even disable the document scrolling, which is a pretty neat feature, and adjust the animation speed. Maybe if I want something like slower, and enable keyboard navigation here, and just click on an image and then just see it's a lot slower. Maybe if I want something a little bit faster, I could go like 100 milliseconds, and it's just a tad bit faster. And see, now the right click is even disabled. I was trying to click right click, but it wasn't working because it was disabled here. And so yeah, that's all there is to it. It's that simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did, and if you like these cool features, well, get yourself an Ajax Search Pro license. You're not going to regret it, and I see you in the next video. Bye.